In this video, we will learn how we can display a sprint burndown in Jira that includes subtasks. If your team breaks work into subtasks and estimates them, you've probably noticed that Jira's native sprint burndown doesn't include the subtasks. As a result, your sprint report might look like no progress is being made, even when your team is completing plenty of work. The good news is there's an easy way to create a sprint burndown that includes subtasks, using the Sprint Burndown Burnup Chart gadget, offered by Great Gadgets. This dashboard gadget can be configured to show progress accurately by including subtasks together with their parent items, or by tracking only the subtasks, ignoring all the other items. Now, let's see how to add and configure this gadget. If you don't have Great Gadgets app installed, you can install it from the Atlassian Marketplace. It has a 30 days free trial, so you can test it out and see it in action. In the right panel, go to Dashboards, and select the dashboard that you want. Then, in the top right corner of the dashboard, click Edit, search for the Sprint Burndown Burnup Chart, and then click Add. Now, we need to start configuring the gadget. Assuming your sprint is already started, just select your Scrum board. By default, it picks the latest sprint, but you can choose a past sprint if you want. And choose the estimation method. Now, to configure the gadget to calculate the subtasks is easy. Just select the appropriate option. If you select the Include the Subtasks option, the gadget will calculate the subtasks, along with their parent items. Or, you can also choose to calculate only the subtasks, by selecting the third option. For the gadget to be displayed as a burndown, select the ideal burndown, remaining, and scope series to be displayed. The gadget can also be configured as a burn-up if you want. For this, select only the ideal burn-up and burn series to be displayed. If you go to the More Settings tab and check the Show Data tab option, the gadget will also display a detailed sprint report with subtasks included, which you can easily export to CSV format for analysis or sharing. And that's it. That's how you get a sprint burndown or burnup in Jira that includes subtasks, and gain real visibility into your sprint progress. And remember, this app offers many other gadgets that support subtasks, like Release Burndown Burnup Chart, Team Velocity, Cumulative Flow Diagram, Control Chart, and many more.